touch me, touch me, touch me. I like the way she fuck me, fuck me, fuck me, fuck me. Hit it, hit it, hit it, drop. Hit it, hit it, hit it, drop. What's good with YouTube? This your boy CJ.
And this your girl Rina.
Alright, y'all know what it is. Feel what you guess. Guess what you feel. You already know what it is. Always say it opposite. Don't get mad because she don't like that. But anyways, it's my turn to actually let her feel what I got. You know what I'm saying? Are you ready? Alright, got to actually wrap her head up with this bandana. And also the only thing she got is 1 minute, guys. 1 to the minute. 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 1 in a minute. And then a minute. Right across the eyes. That's what I'm talking about. Don't cry. Don't cry. There you go. Yeah. Keep them up on your eyes.
You keep taking it off of me. It feels weird.
Keep it like that. I want it like that. Right there. Make sure.
Oh my goodness.
Nah, leave it alone.
I can't breathe.
Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Leave it alone.
Stop. I can't breathe.
Leave it alone.
Stop. I'm not playing with you. I'm going to rip it off my face.
Alright, are you ready for my item?
Yeah.
Y'all, let me go get it. Here it is. Alrighty, 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 alrighty. Alrighty, alrighty. I have to open this up for you. Don't get mad, get glad.
What the heck? What was that? Did you throw it?
No, I didn't throw anything. Sorry, guys.
Did you break it?
Shut up! No, I didn't break anything. Okay, we're about to start. Sorry I'm taking so long. But it seems like I'm Butterfingers today. Y'all see it?
You broke it.
Shut up. One thing you broke is your face. Okay. Here we go. Hold on. 1 more second. Let me start the timer. Okay. Go. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, there it is. Yeah.
What the? Is this slime?
Of course. What kind of slime?
What kind of slime?
It's actually a certain slime that came out of something that I had got.
I don't know. It's slime.
Yeah. It is slime.
I didn't know.
20 seconds!
I didn't know there was a type of slime.
Oh yeah, it is definitely a type of slime.
What?
13, 12,
type of slime.
10, 9,
Homemade slime?
8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
I don't know.
3, 2,
It's slime.
1. You are a loser.
What is it?
Oh yeah, you about to see. Give me a second. Let me stop the timer. Alright. Here it is. There you go. Miss, there it is. A slime. That is not slime.
It looks like chocolate.
That is actually this. There it is.
Squishy poo poo?
Poo, 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 poo. Y'all see it? Poo, 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 poo. Yes. Poo.
It looks like chocolate.
Poo. It looked like chocolate, but it was poo. So you actually lost. Lost. Lost.
Oh look, it just melted. Watch this.
You like that, don't you? Yeah.
What is it doing?
It's poo. Anyways, guys, make sure y'all comment at the bottom so we can get more things that y'all want me or Rina to feel. Yeah. Anything else you want to play with the poo again? Yeah.
Ugh.
Yeah, there you go. You liked it. You
Ew, they
played.
don't stink.
Yeah, you play with it. Of course it's gonna
My
stink.
face
It
smells
is poo on your face now. Alright guys, like always, you alright?
Yeah.
Peace.
Bye.
Ow.
My bad.
I like the way she touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me.